In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pause in Camtasia. Whether you're creating tutorials, presentations, or just trying to refine your video for perfect timing, adding pauses can be a powerful way to emphasize key points or give your audience a moment to digest information. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you need to open Camtasia on your computer. If you're not familiar, Camtasia is an excellent tool for screen recording and video editing, and it's widely used for creating professional-looking content. Once you've opened Camtasia, the next step is to import your video clip into the software. You can do this by clicking the Import button or by dragging and dropping your video file straight into your media bin. Once your video is securely in Camtasia, you'll need to drag it down onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where the magic happens and where you'll be editing your video. Now, the timeline allows you to have an overview of your video's structure. To add a pause, you need to decide exactly where in your video you want this to occur. Move the playhead. Think of it as a marker that shows you what part of your video you are looking at, to the precise spot where you want to introduce the pause. Once you're satisfied with the placement, press S on your keyboard. This action will split your clip right where the playhead is positioned, creating two separate segments. Next, click on the segment that falls to the right of the split. This is essential because it's this part that you'll be working with to create the gap or pause. Once you have it selected, gently drag this segment to the right along the timeline. As you do this, you'll notice an empty gap forming between the two segments. This gap is what constitutes your pause. If you would prefer your video to hold on a particular frame rather than show an empty gap, you can right-click on this empty space and select Extend Frame. This option allows the frame right before the pause to freeze, giving your audience a seamless view that stays still for the duration of the pause. Finally, you'll want to decide how long the pause should last. You can adjust the duration of this pause by clicking and dragging the ends of the gap or frozen frame to make them longer or shorter. And that's it. This simple yet effective method can really enhance the way your content is delivered. Congratulations on mastering this technique. Now you're ready to use pauses in your own videos for clearer communication and a more engaging viewer experience.